Welcome. Today you'll learn exactly how to comment on a carousel post on Instagram using the PC app thanks to the latest update. Whether you want to share your thoughts on a travel album, a product showcase, or a series of funny memes, these steps will help you join the conversation in just a few clicks. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the latest features. Once you're in, take a moment to browse your feed or search for the profile where you know there's a carousel post you want to comment on. Remember, a carousel post is easy to spot. It lets you swipe or click through multiple images or videos in a single post, usually with a small icon or a series of thumbnails at the bottom. Next, once you've found the carousel that catches your eye, click on it to open the post fully. Take your time to scroll through the images or videos if you want to see the whole story before commenting. Now, look just below the post for the comment icon. It usually looks like a speech bubble. Click on this icon and you'll see a text field pop up, ready for your message. Here's where you can type anything you want to share. Your reaction, a question, or your thoughts about a specific image in the carousel. With the new update, if you want to reference a particular slide, you can even type the number of the image or video before your comment for clarity. For example, if you're talking about the second picture, simply start your comment with 2 and then your message. Once you're happy with what you've written, just click the post button. Your comment will appear under the carousel, visible to everyone who views the post. It's that simple. Engaging with carousel posts is a great way to connect with creators and other users, and now it's easier than ever on the Instagram PC app. So go ahead, leave your thoughts, and enjoy the conversation.